Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you saw my last video on the tomato soup cake, you know I've been diving deep into the archives of the Great Depression. Today, we are making something just as surprising and even easier: 1932 Depression-era peanut butter bread. This recipe first appeared in a 1932 cookbook, and at a time when eggs and butter were luxuries many couldn't afford, this loaf was a protein-packed lifesaver. There's no yeast, no kneading, and no eggs. Just simple pantry staples. Let's get into it. First, we're going to whisk together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. You want to make sure that baking powder is well distributed, since that's what is going to give our bread its lift today. Now, here is the star of the show: a ½ cup of peanut butter. Back in the 30s, peanut butter was a vital source of protein. We're going to cut this into the flour mixture, just like you're making biscuits, until it looks like fine crumbs. Next, pour in 1 1/3 cups of milk. Now, don't overwork the batter. We just want to stir it until it's combined. It's going to be a bit thick, and that's exactly what we want. I've got my oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to pop this in for about 50 to 55 minutes. Your kitchen is going to smell incredible, like a giant peanut butter cookie, but better. Look at that crumb. It's dense, moist, and not too sweet. This is perfect with a little bit of jam or just a smear of butter if you're feeling fancy. It's a literal taste of history that costs pennies to make. If you enjoyed this trip back in time, hit that like button and subscribe to our growing community here on the network. I'd love to hear in the comments, what poor man's recipe did your family grow up eating? I'll see you in the next one. God bless.